2020 मेरेन देशांतले चडशे मीन खणी बंद जातले. गोंयांतले मीन खणी पयलींच बंद आसात अशी माहिती केंद्रीय मंत्री प्रल्हाद जोशीन खासदार विनय तेंडुलकारा बरोबर पणजेन घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत दिल्या. केंद्रान पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदीच्या मुखेलपणा सकयल सत्तेचेर आशिल्ल्या सरकाराक 100 दीस पुराय जाल्यात. केंद्र सरकारान देशाच्या हितान घेतिल्ल्या निर्णयाची माहिती दिवपा खातीर मंत्री प्रल्हाद जोशी गोंयान आयिल्ले. तेन्ना पत्रकारांनी जोशीक मीन खणी बद्दल विचारिल्लें.
After I becoming the minister, Honorable Chief Minister had met me, Shri Kamath had met me, and today also he is meeting me. Sawant. I am so sorry. Sawant is meeting me today, and he has met me in Delhi also. And already after his meeting, we have formed a GOM. It is a complex issue, you know, and the matter has gone up to the Supreme Court. To address this complex issue, how to come out and start the mining activity in Goa, and even it is a problem in the entire country also. By 2020, many mines are going to be closed. So keeping both this in mind, Goa and also the entire country's mining issue is concerned, GOM is formed, and Sri Rajnath Singh ji is the chairman of this GOM, and Home Minister Amit Shah ji is also there in that, and previous Mine Minister Goyal ji is there, I am there, and already we are meeting regularly. Very shortly we are going to arrive at decision, both as far as 2020, the entire mines, some major mines are going to be closed in Karnataka, Odisha and many parts of the country, to address that also, and the already mines which have been closed in Goa, that we are addressing. Very shortly, I am hopeful of coming out with a positive solution. Very shortly, I said. No? Sorry? Very shortly, and it is regularly meeting, and very shortly we will come to a conclusion.